Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to log out of Gmail from the phone. If you share your phone with others, if your phone gets lost or stolen, logging out of your Gmail account could prevent unauthorized access to your emails and sensitive information. To secure your account and prevent misuse, open the Gmail app. Once you are in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will display a menu of all your Gmail accounts. To log out of the current account, click on Manage Accounts on this device. It will take you to the account management settings. Now, you can remove any of your Gmail accounts from this device. Simply tap on Remove this device next to the Gmail account you want to log out from. This action will remove the account and any unsaved data from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. After that, tap on Remove, and your account will be successfully logged out from your device. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.